This toy is GRS certified, ensuring that its raw materials meet the highest US standards.
It is completely free of BPA, PVC, and phthalates.
The toy is built to be extremely durable, capable of withstanding your dog's most enthusiastic chewing and scratching. Even if dropped from a height onto hard surfaces, like stone or tile, the toy remains fully functional. This toy contains no separable parts, eliminating the risk of accidental ingestion for your dog. Cleaning is simple and hassle-free. The entire toy is dishwasher safe and can withstand high-temperature cleaning.
Unleash your dog's genius!